So I've done quite a few different videos on the 350Z's cooling system and all of the different modifications I've made to keep it cool on track so I can run for full sessions in any temperature at any pace and not have any issues where I have to take a few cool down laps during a session. However, that's not for everyone. Not everyone wants to replace all of their coolant hardware and go through all the time and money and effort to get that done just to enjoy a little time on track every now and then. One quick tip that can really help people who have a stock cooling system that may not be quite up to task on particularly hot days, one tip that you can do that will help keep your car alive on track is turn the heat all the way to the top. So turn everything all the way up to max. And then what you're going to do is you're going to close the vents on the driver's side. And you're going to leave the passenger ones open and turn them away from the driver. And most track days you're required to have your windows down, so all that heat should just blow out the window. But the way your heating system works is behind all of this there is what looks like a small radiator, and by having all of that airflow through your system, it's going to pull that heat out of the coolant that's going through that little radiator, and then it's going to fly out of these vents here. So it's not going to completely replace having a proper cooling system, but it will be a little band-aid solution to help you stay on track a little bit longer before having to take cool down laps. So especially if you're doing something and you're tiptoeing into track days and you want to find out what are the limits of my coolant system or other things before you really dig in and start buying parts, turning your heat all the way up, closing the driver's side vents, and letting it all blow out the passenger side out that window is a great way to add a little bit of extra track time for zero cost. And who doesn't love free modifications? So of course, if you guys have any questions, drop those in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.